The cruiser market has long been a sanctuary for riders who crave classic styling, a low-slung seat, a relaxed riding posture, and a machine that not only turns heads but also delivers reliable, smooth performance. Enter the 2025 Honda Shadow 750, a motorcycle that continues to honor its lineage while embracing modern updates to meet the demands of today's riders. Whether you're a beginner testing the waters of two-wheeled freedom or a seasoned rider who appreciates timeless craftsmanship, the Shadow 750 is built with you in mind. If you're searching for the best tires for your vehicle, Mavis Tire has you covered with premium options and top-notch service. Whether it's durability, performance, or affordability, Mavis ensures your ride is smooth and safe. Find the best tires for your vehicle at Mavis and explore their wide range of quality tires tailored to your needs. Check out the link in the description to find the perfect fit for your vehicle. A legacy of reliability. To understand the significance of the 2025 Shadow 750, we need to glance at its roots. The Honda Shadow lineup has been in production since the early 1980s, and the 750 cubic centimeters variant quickly became one of its most beloved iterations. Its hallmark has always been its dependable performance, laid-back demeanor, and a design that echoes the soul of traditional American cruisers, with the bulletproof engineering that only Honda can deliver. For over 4 decades, Honda has refined the Shadow 750, listening to rider feedback and ensuring the bike evolves without losing its core identity. The 2025 model continues this legacy in spectacular fashion. Design, a true cruiser aesthetic. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is its authentic cruiser styling. It's unapologetically classic. Wide handlebars, deeply valanced fenders, a teardrop fuel tank, and that low seat height that gives it a muscular, planted stance. But Honda didn't just copy and paste the design. They gave it tasteful modern tweaks that elevate the overall aesthetic. Key design features. LED lighting package. From the headlight to the turn signals and tail light, the new Shadow gets a complete LED upgrade. This brings a fresh modern edge while improving visibility and safety. Sleek chrome accents. Chrome still plays a big role in the Shadow's visual appeal, but it's balanced beautifully with blacked-out engine components and exhaust pipes for a bolder, more aggressive look. Color options. The 2025 Shadow 750 is available in several new colorways, including Midnight Black Metallic, Candy Red Pearl, and Matte Steel Blue, each designed to pop against the backdrop of chrome and steel. Performance, smooth power in a perfect package. Let's talk about what really matters to a rider, the performance. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is powered by a tried-and-true 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine. It may not be a high-revving beast, but that's not its mission. This engine is all about low-end torque, smooth cruising, and predictable power delivery, making it perfect for both city rides and long highway hauls. Engine specs. Displacement, 745 cubic centimeters. Engine type, SOHC liquid-cooled 52 degrees V-twin. Fuel delivery, programmed fuel injection PGM-FI. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Final drive, shaft. Why riders love it? PGM-FI system. The programmed fuel injection system ensures consistent throttle response and optimal fuel economy. Cold starts are a breeze and throttle lag is virtually non-existent. Shaft drive. No chain maintenance, no mess. The shaft drive system is clean, quiet, and built for the long haul. Low RPM torque. The V-twin produces satisfying grunt right off the line. It's not about speed, it's about smooth, accessible power when you need it. This combination makes the Shadow incredibly forgiving for beginners, but still engaging enough for experienced riders to enjoy. Comfort and ergonomics, built for all-day riding. Comfort has always been one of the Shadow 750's strongest suits, and the 2025 model continues to excel in this area. The low seat height of just 25.8 inches makes it accessible to riders of all sizes, while the forward-mounted foot controls and wide handlebars encourage a relaxed riding posture. Ergonomic highlights. Well-cushioned saddle. Redesigned for 2025 with improved foam density for better long-term comfort. Suspension setup. The front 41mm telescopic fork and dual rear shocks offer a plush ride while maintaining road feedback. Vibration dampening. Rubber-mounted engine and handlebar grips help reduce fatigue on longer rides. If you're looking for a bike you can take on a 200-mile weekend ride without a second thought, the Shadow 750 won't disappoint. Technology and features. While the Shadow has always leaned toward the traditional, Honda knows the modern rider expects more. So for 2025, the bike receives subtle but impactful tech upgrades without compromising its old-school soul. New and notable. Full LED lighting, brighter, longer lasting and better for visibility day or night. Digital analog combo gauge. Keeps the classic analog speedometer but now includes a small LCD screen for gear indicator, trip meter and fuel gauge. USB-C charging port. Conveniently tucked under the seat for charging your smartphone or navigation device. Anti-lock brakes. ABS available on both front and rear wheels for added safety in wet or challenging conditions. These features make the Shadow not only more practical but also more enjoyable to ride in a variety of situations. Handling, nimble yet planted. One of the most surprising things about the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is how nimble it feels despite its cruiser dimensions. With a curb weight around 560 pounds, it's certainly not a lightweight machine, but its low center of gravity, balanced chassis, and responsive steering geometry make it easier to handle than you might expect. The turning radius is impressive for a cruiser of this size, and lane filtering in urban settings is totally manageable. At highway speeds, the bike feels rock solid. No wobbles, no wandering, just straight line stability. Tire and wheel setup. Front, 120/90-17. Rear, 160/80-15. These tire sizes give the bike that classic cruiser look while offering good grip and feedback in most riding conditions. Who is the Shadow 750 for? The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is the quintessential all-rounder in the cruiser segment. Here's who it's ideal for. Beginner riders. With its manageable power, low seat height, and forgiving handling, the Shadow 750 is a fantastic first motorcycle. It allows new riders to build confidence without being overwhelming. Commuters. Its fuel-efficient engine, shaft drive, and easygoing ergonomics make it a practical daily rider for those who want style and substance. Weekend warriors. Looking for a bike that's perfect for scenic highway cruises, bike nights, and Sunday morning coffee rides? The Shadow is always game. Customizers. The Shadow has a loyal fanbase of custom builders and modders. With plenty of aftermarket parts available, the 750 is an excellent platform for creating your dream bobber, chopper, or cafe cruiser. Fuel economy and range. Honda didn't just build the Shadow 750 for fun, they built it for the long haul. This bike gets an estimated 56 miles per gallon, which means with a 3.7-gallon tank, you're looking at over 200 miles per tank on average. That's not just good, that's touring-level economy in a mid-size cruiser. Pricing and value. One of the most attractive aspects of the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is its affordability. While Harley-Davidson and Indian motorcycles dominate the cruiser market with big price tags, Honda delivers a premium feel and experience without the premium cost. MSRP, starting at $8,299, base. ABS version, $8,699. Considering what you get, legendary reliability, iconic styling, modern tech, and low operating costs, the value proposition here is unmatched. Pros and cons. White heavy checkmark pros. Timeless cruiser design. Ultra reliable and low maintenance. Low seat height, great for short riders. Shaft drive equals no chain hassle. Fuel efficient and affordable. ABS and LED lighting. Perfect platform for customization. Crossmark cons. No sixth gear, some riders miss it on the highway. Limited cornering clearance, typical of cruisers. Not ideal for high-performance enthusiasts. Model engine seat height drive type MSRP. Honda Shadow 750 745 cubic centimeters V-twin 25.8 inches shaft $8,299. As you can see, the Shadow not only holds its own, it excels in price, usability, and long-term reliability. Looking for a hassle-free way to book your stay? Hotels.com is your go-to online search engine for finding and reserving hotels anytime, anywhere. From luxury suites to budget options, they offer unbeatable last-minute deals to suit every traveler's needs. Check the link in the description to book your perfect getaway today. Verdict: the People's Cruiser. In a market crowded with over-the-top features and exorbitant price tags, the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 delivers what really matters: soulful cruising, bulletproof engineering, and timeless design. It's the kind of bike that you form a bond with, the kind you remember even after you move on to something bigger or faster. Whether you're just starting your motorcycle journey or you're a lifelong rider looking for something to kick back and cruise on, the 2025 Shadow 750 is your bike. It doesn't try to be anything it's not, it just nails what it was meant to be, the ultimate cruiser made for every rider.